Which graphical representation is most suitable for showing the distribution of a quantitative variable? What does the box in a box plot represent? The z-test is used when? Which of the following statements about the t-test is correct? In a normal distribution, approximately what percentage of data falls within one standard deviation of the mean? The central limit theorem is important because non-probability sampling differs from probability sampling in that the main advantage of using stratified sampling over simple random sampling is the Pearson correlation coefficient measures. In statistical hypothesis testing, the significance level, alpha, is